Question 4 is asking if given the function y equals x squared, which of the following manipulations moves the graph 5 units to the right? So if we wanted to move our graph vertically, it would be a little bit more easier because we'd be doing our manipulations on the outside of the x squared, and it would be a little bit more intuitive where if we wanted to move it up, we would be adding however many units we wanted to move it by. And if we wanted to move it down, we would be subtracting those units. But we want to move our graph horizontally. So in this case, we want to do our manipulations on the inside of the squared term, and it's a little bit less intuitive where it's the opposite of what you'd expect, and if you want to move it to the right, you actually subtract, and if you want to move it to the left, you add however many units you want to move it by. So in our case, we want to move it to the right by 5 units. So this means that we get y equals, inside the squared term, x minus 5 squared. So this indicates that our answer is answer 3. But if we wanted to check that this is the right answer, we could draw a graph with our original function, y equals x squared, which is this parabola here going through 0, 0, and just move it to the right 5 units. So we can pretend that this point here is at x equals 5, y equals 0. And so if we plug in x equals 5 to our equation here, we do indeed get y equals 0. So that means that our equation here is correct. The right answer is 3, which gives us answer C.